Hey YouTube, Sully, Smallwater Fishing and Survival. Today's video on my Christmas gift I just got this past Christmas is this Sundolphin Aruba 10 sit inside of kayak. So, family got me a kayak and a paddle, but it's not a fishing kayak. But I turned it into a very basic fishing kayak. I added a paddle holder to the one side, so it didn't have a paddle holder, so I added a paddle holder. This is the Ozark Trail double-ended kayak paddle they got me. And then back here I added one on each side drop-in fishing rod holder. So it's got like a seal underneath it to keep water out, and then it's got the lid right here, and then it's got these anchor points to put like a bungee cord or something over. So so I got two of these. It's got the cargo thing back here. It's not very big, but it'll hold, you know, sunscreen and bug spray and, you know, small accoutrements that I might need. But it's an Aruba 10 Sundolphin. Now I'm set up for very basic fishing, and inside here is, if I can get a good angle on it, this is the seat. I'm gonna have to put a pad in, but it's got these two openings on either side. So what I might do is I might buy some styrofoam and stick it back in there, because I don't have any, unfortunately, because I can fit two tackle trays. Honestly, I could fit two on each side, so I could carry 4 tackle trays in here if I wanted to. And there's foam back here already in the back for flotation, and then your feet go up front. But you know, these are just Ozark Trail tackle trays that a neighbor gave me. So once the weather breaks, that's going to be the first try of this year. Is going to be this kayak, and I have to finish a couple repairs on the boat from last year. It's almost done. I got to do a couple repairs, found a few holes, and I've got some upgrades for it that I have to do that a coworker gave me. So before I take a drink, let me show you these upgrades. So this is the first upgrade. It's Evinrude 36 pound thrust pedal controlled bow mount trolling motor. I got to swap out the plug for the plug style that I got. And then I got this Mercury 6 horsepower motor. That's our Minn Kota 35 pound thrust. That's going to go on the canoe. I'm not getting rid of that. And then there's the boat battery. But this was brand new, used one time by the previous owner. And he goes, "I didn't like it. Do you want it?" I was like, "Yes." So he's going to find the mounting gear for it. That it's got the pull-up mounting gear for it. So that's going to go on the bow. That's going to go on the stern. That's going to go on the canoe. And now we got that too. So we're there. We're getting there. So thank you guys. Sorry it's been a while since I posted. I've been busy, started a new position at work, and per my last video, there's a lot of personal crap going on with my life right now. So again, thank you. Please leave comments, concerns, ideas, you know, whatever, because it was my first kayak. So please tell me what I did wrong, so the next time I can fix it. Thank you.